thankful for all healthcare workers across America, including South Carolina and the Darlington area. To learn more about these real heroes, visit foxsports.com/NASCAR is back.